between small and large. So to turn on your vacuum sealer, you press and hold the power button and it'll automatically turn on. Press once, it'll show you the battery percentage. Right now I'm at 54%, about halfway. And when I'm ready to seal the bag, I just press this and it'll start suctioning. I'm going to be using this small bag because I have a few strawberries. I'm going to open this up and put my strawberries in here. I'm going to shut the bag. Once you have your strawberries in here, you're going to take your vacuum sealer, place it over the white circle nice and tight, and press down the button. It'll turn off automatically once it's done, and as you can see, these are perfectly vacuum sealed.